Hello, Ruby.
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready?
Here I am.
Okay, today we will talk about duck's friend. What animal is this? Is this a frog or a duck?
Duck.
A duck. Is it happy or sad?
Chair.
Yes, the duck is very, very sad because she wants a friend. And who is your friend? My
My
friend
friend
is
is
Ro.
Rosie.
Rosie is your friend. Very good. Okay, now look. The duck sees what is this? A fish or a frog?
A fish.
A fish. What color is the fish? Is it yellow or red?
Yellow.
Yellow. Is it happy or angry?
Angry.
Because the duck says, "Play with me, please," but the fish says,
No, I am.
"Okay." Now, because of that, the fish goes away. And then the duck sees
See?
is it a frog or a goose?
A frog.
What color is the frog? Is it green or blue?
Orange.
Green, very good. Look at the frog's face. Is it happy or angry?
Angry.
Good job, because it doesn't want to play with the duck. Play with me, please. But the duck says,
And no, I Andy.
okay, no, no, no. Can you say no?
No.
Very good. So the frog goes away.
And
And then the frog sees is it a goose or a fish?
a good.
A goose, very good. Is it happy or sad?
Happy.
Okay. And then the duck says, "Play with me, goose." And the goose says, "Yes,
Yeah. I
yes."
am.
Okay, yes, I am. So they play and they are happy or sad? They are happy.
Happy.
Very good. And the duck has got a friend. What friend has she got? A fish or a goose?
Uncle.
Very good, a goose. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Ruby. Let's say goodbye now. You say bye-bye.